America just bet its air dominance on a fighter older than most of its pilots. While rivals chase stealth and hype, the US is buying a jet that shows up on radar and still wins. The F-15EX can haul hypersonic missiles, outgun stealth fighters, and launch into combat within minutes. It's cheaper to fly, faster to field, and built to dominate real wars, not airshow headlines. This isn't a step backward. It's the smartest air power move the Pentagon has made in decades. The Pentagon is betting big on a surprise, the F-15EX, a fighter design that dates back to the 1970s. While China and Russia chase stealth, the US is buying a jet with zero stealth that lights up radar, but can't be built fast enough. Generals say it can beat China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57 in real combat and help secure US air dominance for decades. This isn't nostalgia or penny pinching, it's a strategic shift. As aging F-15CD jets began literally falling apart, the Air Force needed a fast, reliable solution. The F-15EX emerged as proof that newer isn't always better, and that smart strategy can outweigh flashy technology.
F-15s perform a mission no other fighter can replace, defending US airspace 24/7. They intercept Russian bombers near Alaska, respond to unidentified aircraft, and stand guard over American cities every day. Buying more F-35s seems logical, until the costs hit. At roughly $36,000 per flight hour, constant homeland patrols would burn money fast, and the F-35 wasn't built for this role. It's a stealth striker, not an airborne missile truck. The F-15EX Eagle II solves that problem. It's a modern fighter built on a proven design, capable of carrying nearly 30,000 pounds of weapons, over 5 times the F-35's load, while reaching Mach 2.5. It features a fully digital cockpit, advanced radar, and cutting-edge electronic warfare systems. With a 20,000-hour airframe life, it could still be flying decades from now. Because it shares most of its parts and infrastructure with existing F-15s, the Air Force can field it immediately. No long retraining, no new bases. Stealth is essential for breaking into enemy airspace on day one of a war. But for most real-world missions, like intercepting bombers near Alaska, invisibility isn't necessary. Reliability, firepower, and readiness are.
The Air Force needed a fighter that's fast, heavily armed, and ready now. For no-fly zones and homeland defense, stealth adds cost without real benefit. And when it comes to carrying oversized weapons like hypersonic missiles, too large for stealth bays, the F-15EX is the only viable option. Pentagon planners reached a blunt conclusion. Even with F-22s and hundreds of F-35s, the US wouldn't have enough firepower in a major war with China. What they needed was a missile truck, an aircraft that could launch huge payloads from standoff range while stealth fighters operated up front. The F-15EX fits that role perfectly. Even more clever, it's deliberately non-stealthy. The F-15EX draws enemy radar and attention in the open, while stealth fighters slip around undetected. Tests in 2024 showed it spotting threats first, jamming enemy sensors, and firing from longer range than simulated Su-57s and J-20s. Then there's cost and speed. At about $80 million per jet, it's comparable to an F-35 to buy, but far cheaper to fly, saving billions over its lifetime. Because Boeing used an existing production line and proven systems, the F-15EX went from first flight to operational service in just 3 years, on time and on budget. In modern defense procurement, that's almost unheard of. The F-15EX can fly missions no other US fighter can. It will be the first American jet certified to carry hypersonic missiles, like HACM, massive weapons that fly at Mach 7 and simply don't fit inside stealth fighters. Its two-seat design also unlocks new roles, from managing sensors and weapons to controlling autonomous combat drones, multiplying combat power without risking more pilots. The Air Force is even exploring the F-15EX as a future electronic warfare platform, potentially replacing the Navy's Growler after 2027. With enormous power, payload, speed, and range, it could jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and still defend itself.
No other fighter combines all of this in one airframe. Allies have noticed. Israel, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt are lining up to buy it for the same reason. It's affordable, available now, and built to stay relevant for decades. China and Russia are watching closely too, as an aircraft they assumed was obsolete keeps winning in simulated combat. And it's not theoretical anymore. F-15EXs are already flying combat patrols over the United States.
The F-15EX is replacing the aging F-15Cs that defended America for decades. In 2025, the last F-15Cs left Kadena Air Base in Japan, one of the most critical U.S. positions in the Pacific, and the F-15EX took their place, sending a clear signal of commitment to allies and deterrence to China. The Air Force plans to field around 100 of these jets, flying alongside F-35s and F-22s, in a layered force where each aircraft plays to its strengths. As the sixth-generation fighter program remains on hold, the F-15EX becomes the bridge that preserves U.S. air dominance without sacrificing capability. It will still be flying decades from now, quietly doing the daily work of defense and power projection. The lesson is simple. Innovation isn't always about chasing the newest idea. Sometimes it's about perfecting what already works. The F-15EX is built to fight today, tomorrow, and well into the future, and that's why the Eagle still rules the sky. In my view, the F-15EX is a reminder that real power isn't about looking untouchable, it's about being unstoppable. The Air Force didn't chase hype, it chased outcomes, and that's rare. This jet proves that smart design, proven systems, and clear thinking still beat fashionable ideas. Adversaries may see it coming, but that won't help them stop it. As long as aircraft like this guard the skies, American air dominance isn't a promise, it's a fact. Follow SkyJet Wings for sharp, no-hype breakdowns of modern air power. If this changed how you see fighter jets, hit like and stay flying with us.
The U.S. doubled down on the F-15EX because modern wars need firepower, speed, and readiness, not just stealth. It carries far more weapons, including hypersonic missiles, works alongside stealth jets, and is cheaper and ready now. This isn't nostalgia, it's a strategic choice to dominate real combat, not just look advanced on paper.